Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to unblock someone in Snapchat. Go to the Snapchat app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner. Tap on Settings from the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom and find the option Blocked. Tap on this. In your blocked list, all the person whom you blocked earlier will be showing. You have one blocked person. Now tap on the cross icon beside the blocked person. A confirmation message will open. Tap on Yes. And the person is unblocked. So in this way you can unblock someone in Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.